Namaskar. Did you know that your body has no pump for detox, unlike your heart, which pumps blood? Your lymphatic system is your body's natural detox and drainage system. It clears waste, toxin, excess fluid, and inflammation. But here's the catch, it has no dedicated pump of its own. Lymph moves only when you move. It depends heavily on body movement and deep breathing to flow properly. That means if your mornings are slow, stiff, and sedentary, your lymph stays sluggish too. Research and clinical observations show that lymph flow slows down significantly during sleep, and if you do not activate it within 1 to 2 hours after waking up, you may feel puffy in the face, heavy in the body, foggy in the head, stiff and sluggish. And many people blame it on poor sleep, but often it is not your sleep. It is poor morning circulation and weak lymph movement. So today I am going to give you a very simple but powerful morning detox rituals, a routine that gently wakes up your lymphatic system, supports digestion and calms the nervous system. And all you need is just 3 minutes for this routine. The very first thing you need to do as soon as you wake up is sit up and take 8 to 10 small sips of warm water, not large gulps, just sipping. After 6-7 hours of sleep, body gets quite dehydrated and our lymphatic fluid is mostly water. Even mild dehydration can make lymph flow thicker and slower, increases morning heaviness. So first thing you need to do daily after waking up, even before touching your phone, is to drink water. Now after hydrating, let us wake up the body and the lymphatic system. Remember, as I told you before, that lymphatic system has no pump. It moves only when you move, you stretch, you breathe or gently stimulate it. So here is how you do it. Step 1. Do gentle bouncing or marching on the spot for 20 seconds. Keep your knees soft and your body relaxed. This simple up and down movement helps move lymph upward against gravity, especially from the leg and lower body, where stagnation is common in the morning. Then step 2, do stretching and twisting for next 40 seconds. For this, do talasana. Stand with your feet 1 foot apart. Inhale, raise your heels and both arms up. Exhale, release and come back. Do this 3 times. Now keeping your feet steady and 1 foot apart, do standing vakrasana. Keeping your arms parallel to shoulder level. Exhaling, twist to your right. Inhale, center. Exhaling, twist to your left. Inhaling, center. Do this also 3 times. Twisting and stretching compresses and releases, helping move stagnant fluid, especially from the gut and lower back. Then step 3 is to gently tap key lymphatic points for 40 seconds using your fingertips. First, tap gently below the collarbones and near the center of the chest. 10-12 taps. This is where major lymph drainage happens. Now gently tap your armpits on both the sides. 10-12 taps. This area holds large cluster of lymph nodes. Then gently tap on your lower abdomen in the groin area for 10-12 taps. This supports gut-related lymph flow and digestion. Now keep in mind that it's not a massage. This is gentle stimulation, enough to wake the system and not stress it. Everything should feel light and pleasant. No force, no strain. If you have vertigo and medical conditions, keep movement very gentle. Now, for the last third minute, you need to do breathing and humming. Just place your hands on your lower ribs. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. Exhale through the nose for 6 seconds. Take 4 such slow breaths, and after that gently release your hand and shift into gentle humming. Inhale softly and exhale with the calm sound. Feel the vibration on the throat, face and chest. Repeat 3 humming breaths. Breathing and humming together supports lymph drainage in the chest and neck while calming the nervous system. This is why Brahmari pranayama is traditionally used to quiet the mind and remove internal stagnation. That's it, just 3 minutes. Your body already knows how to detox. What it needs is movement, breath, hydration and calm, especially in the morning. If you practice this routine daily, within few days itself, you will notice less puffiness, better digestion, clearer head, calmer morning, more energy without stimulants. So start your day by helping your body flow, not fight. Gentle daily support create deep long-term help. Namaskar.